my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I am super excited because today we are trying a full face of JUVIA'S makeup products that I've never tried. Some of them I have, but nevertheless we are testing out this entire brand of all the products that I have on hand. So if you like full face of product reviews, give this video a thumbs up and keep on watching. I'm so excited because, as I mentioned, this is a full face of JUVIA'S. So I noticed that I did not come on him with my brows done because we do have a brow product to try out. So the brow product that I have is the Sculpt Eyeshade Brow Pencil, and I have mine in the shade dark brown. So it is your typical brown type of pencil. It does have a spoolie on one end and then the product retractable pencil on the other. So I'm going to try this out. Usually I can't focus and talk to you guys and do my brows, but I'm going to try one on camera and then finish off the brows off camera. So okay, so off the bat, like, first impression is that this pencil is a bit more waxy than the typical pencils that I gravitate towards. So I want to let you guys know, if you never tried this pencil, you got to take your time with it because I'm not even pressing down too hard, but it is breaking a bit. And like I said, it is a bit more waxy. So I'm gonna finish the other one and then come back and we'll talk about the rest of the products. All right, so brows are done. I also primed my skin. So let's see, let's start with the face. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation. Now this foundation I've already had. I do have a foundation review on this foundation by JUVIA'S here on my channel. It'll pop up on the screen up here. But this is the I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation and it looks like this. And then the concealer is the, ooh, I can't remember what the concealer is, but I'll put it on the screen. I have it in the number 15. For the foundation, I have it in number 450 Casablanca. So this shade may not be my shade right now. I know I'm a little bit lighter than when I originally tried this. That is what it looks like here on the hand. Ooh, I'm nervous. I know it's gonna be a little darker because this was like a summer shade. So we're gonna have to definitely like lighten this up. But I think it'll be perfect for down here for me. So down here I have a little bit of discoloration, like it's a little bit darker here. So that's why I do like darker shades, but let's see. We're gonna have to make it work. This is definitely my summer shade 2 or 3 summers ago, before we were on lockdown. Wow, I should have got another shade. Well, we're gonna keep going. Oh my goodness, I was this deep when we was outside a few summers ago. And you don't need a lot. Like, this is a really good coverage. And I literally only squirted out one like nice size pump. Wow. Okay, aside from the shade, this is a really good foundation. So I'm gonna balance this out by the concealer that I was just talking about. Like, look how light the concealer is. The concealer is a full coverage concealer to me. Very hydrating on the skin. So make sure you check out the video when I initially tried these 2 items out. I'm actually almost done with the concealer. I really like this concealer. The applicator on the concealer is like a chunky wand. Okay, so we have balanced it out with the concealer. It looks so good. And this finish of the JUVIA'S foundation and concealer has always been a top for me. So this is a good, flawless finish. So don't be afraid if you have a shade of yours that was your summer color, or, you know, and now your skin is a little bit lighter due to the winter months or cooler months. Balance it out with your concealers. That is what I do all the time, instead of keep buying different shades, because we don't know what the season may hold, what your skin type, texture, tone will be, depending on how much vitamin D and all this other stuff that goes into it. So try to balance out what you have with your concealers, but I'm gonna go ahead and set, that concealer, and I'm going to be trying the Juvia's Place I Am Magic setting powder. I have it in White Sands. They did have a tan shade. It looked like a caramel type shade, but I said I wanted it to be a little bit, I like it to be a little bit bright under my eyes. So we're going to give this a try. You want to always make sure that your under eyes are set before placing that powder down. So everywhere that I put that concealer, that's where I'm going to put this powder. So the powder actually feels really, really nice. It's softly milled, which I like because it melts right into the skin. So that's a plus. I'm going to go ahead and dust that off. So now that our face is set, we're going to go in with the bronzer. So this is the bronzer palette, Bronzy palette in tan. Looks like this. I'm so excited about this. It comes with a mirror and it has 2 colors. I have it in the shade tan. Y'all, when I swatched this when I first got it, I was blown away. So let's try this bronzer. This one I'm going to use as a bronzer, and if I want to deepen it up to do like a semi-contour, then I'll go in with the deeper one. But for bronzer today, I'm going to go in with this. Looks really, really good. So far, so good, you guys. So let's go into the eyes and we'll come back to the blush. So this palette is the Bronze Rustic palette, and it looks like this. Beautiful colors. I feel like I can do a lot with this palette, but today I want to focus on this row right here on the bottom, which is like that mauve-y pinkish color. So let me go ahead and show you what these colors look like swatch. So these are all the colors in the palette. Very vibrant, very pigmented. I'm so excited. Okay, the first color I'm going to start out with is this shade right here. I'm going to put that shade all over my lid, dragging it up to the crease. It comes off as like a peachy orangey shade, but not too orange. Like a corally natural shade. That's what it's giving. Oh my gosh, I really like this color a lot. If this was like a single color, I would definitely get this, like repurchase this color. This is a beautiful color. We're gonna go in with this shade and place that on the outer corner using the same brush. We're gonna place that right here. I want to take a clean brush and just put a little bit of this yellow at the top because I'm just so curious. I'm just going to take a little bit of the yellow, very, very little, and just go at the top. Yes. And add more depth to this look. I definitely like how that came out. That came out really nice. So on the lid, I'm gonna go in with this like sparkly shade in the middle here. And I'm gonna take my finger. As you guys know, with these foil shades, I like to go in with my finger and then clean it up with a brush. Wow. Do you guys see that? Look at that. That's basically what I'm gonna do to the eye. Now I'm gonna put some lashes on and come back and finish the face. All right, so lashes are on. And we're gonna go in with this blush. So this is the Blush Rouge Volume 1. It looks like this. And these are the shades. We're gonna mix both of these shades together. Just a little bit of this plummy color because this plummy color is very pigmented. But just to put a little bit of that plumness on the face and the orange. Look at that. Very pigmented. So I try to go in more with the orange and just one spruce of that plum shade. To finish off the eye, I'm gonna go in with the same shade here to put on the bottom lash line. So last but not least is a lip combo. So the lip liner that I have is the bronze lip liner, and I have it in the shade Brownie. And the packaging looks like this, and it looks like that. The lipstick I have is Lady. This is the Velvety Matte Lipstick in the shade Lady. I just love Juvia's Place packaging. Look at this packaging on the lipstick. Beautiful. So this is the finished look. And I loved everything that I tried of Juvia's Place today. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Like, it's very rare that I would like every single product. The only product that I was struggling with in the beginning was the brows, but that's because this brow, girl, I don't know. This is my favorite brow, and this one went on fine. This one was a little, it seemed like I was tugging a bit more on this side, but the pencil is a little bit waxy, but it is doable to work with. It is easy to work with. I don't know why my brows do that. Maybe it's just me, but I really did enjoy every single product that I tried of Juvia's Place today. This is not a sponsored video. This is my honest review, and I'm gonna go look for some more Juvia's Place products. So if you enjoyed me testing out this full face of Juvia's Place products today, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.